Hello and welcome. I'm Priya, an electrical project engineer at iEngineering, and I'm so glad you're here. At iEngineering, we take pride in delivering top-quality infrastructure solutions that keep power and utility networks running smoothly. And today, I'm excited to share a recent milestone: our successful manufacturing and supply of 3.5-meter and 6-meter hardwood crossarms for a valued client in the Oceania region. Now let's go behind the scenes as James walks you through how these crossarms are getting ready for delivery.
Thanks, Priya. Ensuring reliable infrastructure starts with using the right materials and precision engineering. These hardwood crossarms are built for durability, offering superior strength and resistance to harsh weather conditions. Every step of the process is carefully managed to meet industry standards, from sourcing high-quality hardwood to final quality checks before delivery. Let's take a closer look at how we prepare these crossarms for transportation. Here they are, neatly stacked and ready to go. These crossarms provide essential structural support for power and utility networks. Before shipment, each crossarm undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure it meets strength and safety requirements. To guarantee a smooth transit, these crossarms are securely packed and reinforced for safe delivery to the client's site. Careful packaging ensures the crossarms arrive in optimal condition, maintaining their durability and reliability. It's time for delivery. Our logistics team carefully handles the loading process to prevent any damage during transportation. One final quality check before these crossarms leave our facility. With this shipment, we continue to support the region's growing infrastructure needs.
Thanks, James, for the walkthrough. If you're looking for high-quality, durable solutions for your next project, we're here to help. Visit our website at www.ieng.tech or reach out to us at inquiries@iengaust.com.au. Thank you for watching our video. Let's build stronger, smarter, and more reliable infrastructure together.